What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're finally doing what I said. I said a long time ago. We're gonna be paint matching my under kit, my lip kit basically. So I got a new front lip. I took off my side skirts. I'm gonna be reusing those. I got a roof spoiler from Nick from Carbon Bits. I also ordered some spats, but I don't know if they're like lost in shipment or something, because I ordered everything at the same time and it still hasn't came. I think it's still in California or something like that. But yeah, that's how my car is sitting right now. I got the Artisan rep sitting right there. We're gonna get that paint matched the same color. And my lip is right here, so I can show you that. So this lip is a new style from Icon Motorsports, but I got it off eBay, I think from Free Motor Works or something like that. They're the same thing basically. They sell the same parts. But yeah, it's 3 pieces, just like my other one in my first video. That's it. Got the fins on the top. It also has this little fin on the side right here, so that'll match the Artisan spirits right here. It'll flow all together. And we got a carbon fiber roof spoiler. Kicks up a little bit, has little grooves right there, flows. And I'm thinking about just paint matching the top carbon, because every time I have carbon parts it always fades. Just paint the top and leave the back exposed carbon here. So yeah, I think that would be sick. Anyways, let's head to the shop. Finally going to be picking up the rest of my lip kit that I had dropped off for paint match. So I had like literally the whole lip kit besides the diffuser, but front lip, side skirts, rear spats, and a roof spoiler that was painted. I have like half the kit, more than half the kit already in the garage, but there's still some pieces that are over there because they didn't come on time or they got damaged in the process of painting and I wanted it repainted. So we're finally going to be painting that, and it's been a while. I don't know where I left off of this video. I know I left off spring break because that's when I dropped it off and I expected it back by then, but things happen. But anyways, we're on the way there. Just got back from my painter, David at Top Speed Collision. Thank you for painting my parts. Got it all lined up right here. I got my side skirts, my front lip. It's a 3-piece front lip. And then the rear spats that y'all seen. I think y'all seen. I don't know. I mean, these pieces were basically already on my car, except they were the polyurethane, plastic black, whatever. So the only thing that's new, the only thing that's old is the side skirts. These are the same side skirts I have. And I just got these spats, the lip kit, or the front lip, and then this roof spoiler from Nick. So yeah, these are new additions to the car. And obviously they're painted to match my factory code, which is 1J7 Atomic Silver. And then also got this roof spoiler from Nick. Like I said, it's paint matched also. But yeah, how does it look? Pretty aggressive. It sticks out pretty far, as you can see. It's got those little arrow fangs sticking out, I guess. Kind of like the Nia lip. Wow. I don't know if I should show y'all because the wheels. I haven't revealed the wheels, but now it doesn't really matter. So here we go. Lo and behold, boys, my paint matched IS 200T on work CR 2P. My caliper, my original caliper color, if y'all remember. And I left the back ones teal because I'm gonna put extended studs. I had to run extended studs for the front to clear with these specs, but yep, haven't worked on the rear yet. So there's that. Holy shit. Paint matched everything. Even the lip. Looks so good. I still have the roof spoiler, but I can't find the freaking 3M tape. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I had some unexpected life events. But this vacation was planned pretty much a year ahead. So Right now, we are in Seattle, Washington, and we actually drove here, which was like 36 hours from Houston, Texas. And I'm here with my greatest friends, Javier Sanchez.
Hey, how are you?
Maybe you don't want your last name out there.
I don't care.
Okay, and the Angel. What's up, bro?
There's a
Anyways,
bunch of Javiers in here.
yeah. Oh, and his special guest right here. Bamel.
It's fucking cute.
Let's give y'all a tour real quick. You know what I'm saying? Here's the front door. We got a little closet. It walks straight to the restroom here. Cool lights here. Backlit mirror. A nice wallpaper. Shower's really nice. I like the wall. It's like wood tile mimic. Chrome. Everything. Modern looking. Our luggage rack. This is a 2-bedroom we got. These are also my business partners for Hue Visuals. So as you can see, they're taking. Yeah, he's fucking busy right now.
No,
so.
we're not doing it for $3,000. $5,000 or nothing.
Yeah, before we got here, we went to a few national parks to camp. We camped for 2 nights. We drove straight here, non-stop, and we went to Mount Rainier National Park. We went to Olympic National Forest, Olympic National Park, and they have amazing views. We're just chilling in the city. We're gonna be out there in the streets, because that's where we belong.
And because valet park.
Yes!
$50.
Yes. I missed the street! You wanna unbox it?
Not sponsored, by the way.
Here you go, bro.
Not sponsored, but
Where we get this from? This Washington's tax, bro.
this shit cost me. Well, it cost me regular price, but the crown was like $40.
We just time traveled to daytime because the nightlife wasn't what's up here. We basically have the whole day here, so we're just gonna be walking around. Everything's pretty good walking distance from our hotel, so we'll take y'all with us. If I go on vacation, y'all go on vacation. Yes. Boys are matching. We're doing a fit check in Seattle. You know what I'm saying?
People copying my style today. I don't know why.
Okay. Everybody's wearing black and green today.
Green and black. Green and black. Green and black. Combo.